Hindi ya kuhinga kigomano gĩa thikũ 4 kĩa maobithaa honge-inĩ cia wandĩkani, Minister Moses Kuria augĩte gũkoretwo na thĩna mũnene wa andũ ethĩ kwaga mawĩra kumana na ungumania wandĩkani-inĩ, akiuga mũbango ũyũ rĩu nĩ ũkũhe mbeũ njĩthĩ mĩeke mĩigananu ya mawĩra, na akĩongerera kuga atĩ to nginya mone mawĩra ma thirikari na kĩmenyano.
I want us to get into a situation where all our jobs, all our hiring is done digitally. Every Kenyan who has access to a phone or a laptop or a desktop has the same chance as any other Kenyan. As you are saying under that program, we are calling it Jobo Bila Connection.
Mogarũrũku-inĩ marĩa makoretwo magĩtabanio nĩ thirikari honge-inĩ itiganĩte cia mũingĩ, Kuria arutĩte watho wa kuuga maobithaa othe honge cia wandĩkani no nginya meyandĩkithie na ngwatanĩro ĩno ya IHRM, na honge cia kũrũmbũiya wandĩkani nĩ cia bata makambuni-inĩ.
Ministry by ministry, county by county, we are even going to give Kenyans a chance to complain about us digitally through another digital platform we are calling BASH, whose results I will be releasing every month. This is what we think of ourselves, but this is what our customers, Kenyans, 54 million Kenyans, think of us. We have to hold ourselves accountable.
Ihinda-inĩ o rĩu, Kuria akiuga mogarũrũku-inĩ macio no maramũrĩka andĩkwo a thirikari arĩa makoretwo magĩkururia kũhurũka mawĩra, ona thengia wa ihinda rĩao rĩakinya, akiuga maramamũrĩka nĩguo mathondekere andũ ethĩ mĩeke makĩria ya mawĩra.
And we want to help our people to transition from public employment to public service by measuring them, and we will measure them. From this year, we are going to measure public sector people to very high standard. And I want to challenge the private sector. I will do it better than you.
It is our request that the Certified Human Resource Professional Certification CHRP qualifications be made mandatory in the public service wherever appointments and promotions are done in the human resource departments. This will ensure that all individuals practicing as HR professionals have the requisite body of knowledge.
I had only one ask from him, to do a circular to public service so that all officers who are practicing HR, who are in HR department, they all become members of IHRM.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Charles Gĩkunga wa Kariũki.